friends, and welcome back to my channel. It is time to get undecorated for Christmas. It's a few days after Christmas and I like to start the new year fresh with all the decor down as a clean slate. First, we are getting started with taking the Christmas tree down. I always start with this first. This is the second year taking this Christmas tree down, and I'll tell you, it is a beast. So we are going to go ahead and get all the ornaments taken off of this and then get this packaged up and put back into the attic. So last winter, I ended up getting this Christmas tree like 3 days before Christmas. Our real trees, every year, they would just die even before Christmas would get here. And so I was at Sam's Club and I got this tree on clearance for like $200, and it's originally almost $600. I love it so much. It's super easy to put together. You just click the 3 pieces in, and then all the lights just automatically hook up. You just have to plug the one section in. But as far as taking it down, I can never lift the top branches up off of it, so I have to always pull the Christmas tree down and over. And then by the time I get it in this bag, it is a huge bag and it is super heavy, so it is a little bit challenging to get this pulled back up into the attic, but Lord willing, I got it back up there. So after we got done with the living room, we're going to go ahead and get done with the explosion of a kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and get all the decor down and out of here first, and then we will come back and clean the kitchen later on. I am going to leave the spring rods in between the kitchen window that we use to make the little faux curtains. Hopefully I'll get to Hobby Lobby in the next couple weeks or so and get some Valentine's Day themed hand towels that I can hang up there and act as the curtains as well. I loved that idea. I think it just added a little bit of character to the kitchen and it was super cute. Everything feels super naked now, but it feels like just a clean blank space. We're going to go ahead and get the living room cleaned up, and I am going to bring back my olive tree and put it in the corner over here. I did put that in my bedroom for the time being, and I kind of liked it in my bedroom, so I may end up ordering another one. And this one was from walmart.com, and I love it so much. Then we're going to go ahead and get started with putting all the stuff back into my arched cabinet, which this is also from walmart.com, and I love this so much. I even ordered a tall, skinny one for my son's bedroom. Love it as well. I can't even remember how I had this decorated before, but I'm just kind of playing with it right now, and then as we get into the new seasons, I will get new things to put into there. It is the next morning, and I'm going to go ahead and get the kitchen cleaned up. I did start off by making the kids some homemade little bites this morning, chocolate chip muffins. We ran out, and I also realized that I didn't have any baking powder, so I was like, oh no, what am I going to do? I looked it up on Google, and you can add baking soda and lemon juice, mix those together, and then it will act as baking powder. I did not know that. So fun little fact if you did not know that, and it actually works because the muffins turned out perfect and they rose perfectly. It is feeling so good to get this space decluttered. We've just had so much Christmas stuff all over the place, and it's just good to get a fresh new start. I'm so excited to get into the new year because I have lots of plans and lots of goals for the house. I'm going to go through every room in the house and just write down a plan. As you all know, we moved in this house over a year ago, and it's just taken a lot of time just to do certain projects and stuff, and I just really want to make my goal this year to get certain projects done that have been on my list and stop pushing them aside. I think after living in the camper for almost a year during the house build, we were just so excited to get into the house and just kind of take it easy. But this year I have so many goals that we're going to accomplish together, and I cannot wait to share everything with you. I've got projects for the kitchen, my bedroom, all kinds of stuff. So I'm super excited to finally get those going. I did get new stainless steel pots and pans for Christmas. I'm so excited to toss these other ones out over here. I've had these since we got married in 2018, and they are going out the door. Also, speaking of Christmas gifts, I did want to share with you my favorite Christmas present I got, and it's these slippers that I'm wearing. These are the Croc slippers. They are the most comfortable slippers I have ever had on my feet. I love them so much. So if you're looking for a good pair of slippers, 110% recommend these Croc slippers. You should definitely get you a pair. They are so amazing. I love them so, so much. Also, I may be a little behind, but I did ask for electric salt and pepper shakers, because every time I would buy the salt shaker from Sam's Club or Aldi's or wherever, for some reason the black part, like the grinder part, would always break, and then I was left with like this whole thing of salt that I'm trying to like grind up. And I got these salt and pepper shakers. They are seriously life-changing. I said the other day, I said, I've never felt so lazy, but this feels so right. I don't know. Like, I feel like I was against the electric salt and pepper shakers, because I'm like, who can't just twist their own little salt and pepper shakers? But after these salt shakers that I had kept breaking, I was like, you know what? I am asking for electric salt and pepper shakers for Christmas, and seriously, they are amazing. So if you haven't gotten the salt and pepper shakers that are electric yet, I highly recommend those as well. I think we got ours off of Amazon. That's the link that I sent to my husband. So I'll post the link in the description box of the ones that I got. They are so nice. All right, y'all, we are going to end the video with Christmas decorations cleaned up in a nice and crisp, clean kitchen. I hope you all enjoyed this video and it helped motivate you to get some things done, and I'll see you guys again next time.